Is this better?
Mm.
Stand normal.
No, I'm gonna sit. That's what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna sit.
Hey,
I don't want to show my armpits though.
No one will see your armpits. Don't
Okay.
worry.
All right.
Hey, what's up, everyone? We're down here in the Finger Lakes in upstate New York. We just came from a wicked travel conference where we met so many people from all around the world. It was amazing.
Totally was.
While we're here, we figured, you know, let's check out some of the area and see what there is to see here.
Yeah.
Now, Chris isn't much of a hiker.
Or an outdoors person at all.
No, we are. So we decided we were going to take him hiking. And not just anywhere, we were going to take him hiking in one of the most beautiful places in the state. So let's go check it out.
Alright, welcome to another episode of, well, I don't know whether to call this rudderless or whether to call it in my own backyard, because I'm theoretically not in my own backyard, but I'm close enough to be in my own backyard. So, I don't know, I'll figure that out later. We're gonna go explore. We just came back from T-Bex, and since we're in the area, well, T-Bex, for you guys who don't know, is a travel blogging conference. And so we figured before we all head back to Toronto, we would kind of, you know, explore a little bit and see what's around. So here we are
with two of my favorite travel bloggers, Catherine from Catherine Anywhere and Kevin from The Wandering Wagers. You may also recognize us from such amazing web series as Wait What, which you should go check out after this video, of course. This, my friends, is Watkins Glen State Park. The Glen was first opened to tourists on July 4th, 1863 by local newspaper owner Morvladden Ellis and the landowner George Freer. Upwards of 10,000 tickets were sold in the first year. I wonder why.
They actually told me that it would be about 2 kilometers hiking, but they didn't mention anything about stairs. So that makes it actually 4 kilometers and not 2. And I don't know why you guys insist on lying to me like this.
Not a lie.
We like to surprise you.
I'm surprised.
It is incredible. There's going to be some really beautiful stuff today, and I want to take you guys with me. Let's go for a walk.
What would you say?
Oh, the next waterfall we're going to head to is the one that you actually walk behind, and it's super cool.
Nice.
It is cool.
That was absolutely beautiful. The moral of the story and our end point is to see if I will actually be able to make it to the ending of this thing. Because I keep telling people how much I don't like hiking, and I always end up hiking. This is awesome.
So, I just jumped the wall again. And I have to show you why. Are you ready for this? This is why I jumped the wall. This view right here. You can't get it from up there. Hey guys, what's happening?
Watching you break the rules
Breaking the law!
is all. What's it like to break the rules, as you always do?
There's no sign that says no jumping the wall.
Do you need a sign to actually tell you not to go over there? I think this wall here is there for a reason, or...
It's just good advice.
Okay. All right.
It's good advice.
Yeah. This is what we do on a regular on Wait What. We just break rules.
I'm a rule breaker.
She's a rule breaker. All right, this is absolutely gorgeous here. I'm loving this. Beautiful.
Whoa, look what we're coming up on.
So impressive.
You gotta see this.
Yeah, I gotta show you this.
Today, Watkins Glen State Park Trails is one of the top attractions in New York State, considered a flagship park by the state of New York. This incredible place leaves people speechless and has been leaving people speechless for generations. It features 19 waterfalls in less than 2 miles, which works out to be 166 kilometers times 2. I think that's how it translates. Anyways, there are over 800 steps on the Gorge Trail, with plenty of places to stop, rest, and enjoy the views along the way. The Gorge Path winds over and under waterfalls and through the cascading spray of caverns.
All right, here we go through the waterfall. Woo! I gotta find the driest spot I can. Oh my God, I'm soaked!
All right, so we made it to the part where it's 1 mile. So we're in America, so they do everything in miles, which is just there to confuse Canadians, the rest of the world. But 1 mile is about 1.66 kilometers, I think. So we reached the 1 mile point, and instead of going back through the gorge, we're gonna head up through Indian Trail. So should be nice. We're at a higher elevation, so should be able to see the gorge from up here.
No swimming. And there they go.
On April 10th, 1912, Watkins Glen native Elizabeth Barrett Rothschild and her husband Martin boarded the Titanic in Cherbourg. She survived, Martin did not. His body was buried in a mausoleum inside this cemetery that was built by his wife for him. Wasn't expecting that on this trail. Wow. Okay, so we're heading back to Toronto. Don't forget to like and subscribe as I have new videos coming every Thursday. One more in my own backyard video, then we are off to Slovenia, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. You don't want to miss it, so tap that little bell so you get notified. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week. Cheers.